The IELTS speaking test is often misunderstood. While students prepare for the test pattern and mentally prepare themselves to speak in the IELTS test, there are a few elements that may often be misunderstood. Today we're going to have a look at that. Introducing yourself. Many test takers often learn a few sentences by heart where they introduce themselves. It is a common rumor that the IELTS test starts with introducing yourself. While the examiner will ask you to introduce yourself, it is not part of the test. It is done so that you feel comfortable and at ease and start speaking. When the actual test begins, the examiner will inform you and start recording the test. Attempting the IELTS from another location. Some test takers take the test in another location or city in the belief that this will help boost their band scores. These locations may be second-tier cities or rural areas where the general population is believed not to speak proficient English. The IELTS band score is dependent on your performance and your level of proficiency. It is not dependent on relative grading. That means your score is not determined by the performance of other people. So it does not matter where you attempt the test from. Unless you have practiced, you may get the same band score again and again. Questions in the cue card. In part 2 of the speaking test, you will be given a cue card with a topic and 3 or 4 questions. These are WH questions normally, that is who, what, why, when, where, and how. Many test takers don't know this, but you do not have to answer each question specifically. Yes, you do need to speak within the topic, but no score will be deducted if you do not specifically answer each and every question. You are allowed to say whatever you like within the scope of the topic, even if you don't answer the question line by line. These questions are only present to help you form a structured response with a flow. So you do not have to worry if you don't answer the question, but add some other information of your own choice. Finally, can an unhappy examiner deduct your score? Contrary to a lot of fears, no, an unhappy or grumpy examiner cannot influence your band scores. Your IELTS speaking is evaluated only based on the 4 evaluation parameters. So, you do not have to worry even if the examiner does not agree with you or simply does not like your response. In order to perfect yourself, you have to keep practicing. So please do so. Good luck.